we are committed to providing all the necessary support to make this festival success. We are also working to make the Goa a hub for the filmmaking, and we believe that Iffi will play a key role in promoting the Goa as a film-friendly destination. The state of Goa has been successfully playing the host to the International Film Festival of India since 2004.
Prime Minister Modi wants India to be a developed nation by 2047, and we also have a vision for Iffi Goa by 2047. I have a vision in mind. I would like to seek your suggestions, what suggestions you can contribute to make Iffi Goa as one of the topmost film festivals in the world by 2047. So I'm sure you will keep coming in large numbers like this and keep motivating our film industry.